For many reasons, we suffer from hair loss. And everyone is using a lot of shampoo conditioner to prevent this hair fall, using different oils. But we are not getting good results. Today we will show you how to make one hair toner and one home remedy naturally. If you use them correctly, you will get good results. In the first step, we will show you how to make a hair remedy. First, take some onion peel in a bowl. Now boil it. Boil well so that it turns black. Then lower it and let it cool. And grind the ingredients. Now separate the powder. Now the powder is ready. Now, you add the same amount of coconut oil to this powder. Then mix well. Now it is suitable for use. Use it on your hair. And after 2 hours rinse with normal water. It is very effective in making your white hair black. Now we will show you how to make hair toner. First, take some amount of onion peel in a bowl. Add water like quantity. Then let it boil. After few minute boiling. Now let it cool. Then separate the waters. Now use it well in your hair. You can use it 2 to 3 days a week. If you want, you can refrigerate it. If you use the method correctly, can prevent your hair from falling out. The reasons for thinning hair are hormonal imbalance, hormonal effects on hair health. The nature of many women's hair changes during their pregnancy. However, those who suffer from problems like PCOS, their hair may start to thin. Chemicals in your hair care products. Most hair products are not made without chemicals like parabens, sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS. And these are probably the cause of the health damage to your hair. Emphasize the use of natural shampoos as soon as possible. Thyroid problems. Even if your thyroid gland is over or underactive, there is a risk of thinning hair. Thyroid hormone regulates the body's energy level and the rate of cell division. If the thyroid does not work properly, fatigue will occur, weight gain or loss may change the nature and health of the hair. Stress. It would not be right to downplay stress as just stress because stress can lead to many physical problems. It includes weight gain or loss, hair loss. Balanced eating habits. The nutrients that people need to stay healthy, they are in your diet in appropriate amounts. If there is a deficiency of vitamins or minerals, but the health of the hair can be damaged. Pay special attention to vitamin B and vitamin D. Under no circumstances should there be any shortage of them. Hair thinning solution. Change your daily shampooing habits. For those who are accustomed to shampooing their hair every day, they are unknowingly causing damage to the health of their hair. Do not wash your hair every day with shampoo is beneficial for your hair. Use natural hair care products. Choose natural, SLS, and paraben-free shampoos and other hair care products. If you have a habit of using too many products, it needs to be reduced. Hair color. Do not use hair color as you wish, this is damage to your hair. Apply hair color with the advice of a hair specialist. It is better not to be too experimental in haircut. Bringing health under your control. Hair loss is due to various health problems including thyroid, infection, or anxiety. These problems need to be addressed. Reduce anxiety to keep your body and mind calm. In case of thyroid problems, seek medical advice. Hair growth is reduced when tinea capitis and other fungal infections occur. Therefore, appropriate treatment should be taken for such infections. Diseases such as lupus and diabetes, which cause hair loss, those diseases need to be controlled properly. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.